In this video, I will show you how to simply set up Telegram Safeguard bot in 2024. Safeguard.io is powerful Telegram bot designed to enhance user safety and well-being through regular check-ins and emergency alerts. Whether you're traveling alone, working in a high-risk environment, or just want to ensure peace of mind, Safeguard.io is here to help. But how exactly can we easily set up Telegram Safeguard bot? First thing you have to do is to add the bot or search for Safeguard bot on Telegram and start to activate it. Next thing to do is to grant admin rights. You have to add the bot to your group and assign it permissions. Next thing is to configure settings. Use /settings to adjust anti-spam, verification, and filters. You have to set verification. You can either enable CAPTCHA or manual approval for new members with /verification. Next thing to do is to customize filters. You can block unwanted links, medias, or specific words using /filters. Last thing you have to do is to monitor and adjust. You can check logs with /log and tweak settings based on group activity. Now your group is secured against spam and unwanted contents. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.